What's going on, YouTube? We're here early in this morning, chilling. Look who's back. Christian's back. Whatever. He's dead. He's dead. His whole body is dead. Tell him why you're dead, man. School academy. Boy's gonna be a firefighter. So how long did you work out yesterday for? Was it yesterday? Oh, they make you run that much?
Run everything.
Would you do it again?
Have to.
So, when you become a firefighter, are you like lieutenant, chief, captain? What are you? Just a firefighter, man. Like captain, it's time to go. What is going on? Look, it's Carlos. Vamos a trabajar, güey. What's up, Luis? Got a lot of lights in here, man. Look at all these beautiful lights.
Just 16?
Just 16? What the fuck? Look at those tower speakers. Damn. JL Audio's new M.
No, they're creepy right now.
It's okay. People know we're on the moment of working. This is the new Polaris 2019 Turbo S. Like, I didn't know this fool was a baller until he got rid of one turbo and got a Turbo S. Changed his mind just because it has the letter S. Oh, it comes with a sparkle steering wheel seat, right? Active suspension. Bam. Backup camera. Now a JL Audio sound system. Oh, it also comes with these Sub-Zero Razor seatbelt harnesses, which are badass. So how was Las Vegas, bro? Did you like it?
Hot.
It's just as hot as it was over here, no?
Hot. Huh?
Is it the same heat as over here? What'd you go there for? You went to go see Shania Twain?
No, we just went to relax.
Junior, let's go, fool. We're just gonna go relax. Okay, today's a sad day. My friend is leaving. She's going back to Mexico to go be thug life. Baby, bye.
Bye.
See you later.
Okay.
Then see you later.
See you later.
Yeah. At the Veo. So she's going back to Mexico, never coming back again. Maybe. I don't know. ¿Cuándo va a regresar? No sé. Okay. Adios. Gracias por viniendo. Thank you for visiting. She was here with us all week. She wasn't in the YouTube because I didn't want to put her in my YouTube. Scooby-Doo, pop, pop! Whoa, where did everybody go? It's a ghost town. Where's everybody at, man? What the fuck is this? Ah, spider! Just kidding. What are you doing? Look at this Jeep. This is an old Jeep. It's a Jeep truck. What's year is this Jeep?
The same they made it.
They replaced this thing.
Hasn't changed.
It's a 1994. I don't know. I thought it was. It's 80s. We're gonna go with 80s. It's an old ass Jeep truck. That's what I know. Look at this bad boy. Did a sunroof. Hooked it up with a nice sunroof on this one. Oh, so hot. Can't even do anything here. I'm boring my own damn self, you know? I want to hear how those speakers sound. They look awesome, but I want to hear how they sound. So dark in here. How can I even get any good content when it's dark? Oh my god. I'm gonna show you guys the lights. The lights look good. The lights look hella good. They finished them. I don't know how they go. I think they go this way. Alright, so there you go. I think they look good. The lights came out really nice. You saw them when they were all chrome. they were like an ugly chrome. Now they're black. You know, they look badass. Massive DD. Can't wait to hear that one too. I'm telling you, it's gonna be amazing. Now I gotta make a work order for my customer. I have to make a work order, and when we make these work orders, it's so that way they can know what to do in the back. I kind of fall short on this half the time, making my work orders, so I gotta get in the habit of doing it, because honestly it's not fun. So first thing we do, we put the customer's name. I forgot his name, so I'm put amigo. Okay. His phone number, not relevant. Cool. Description. Check.
Hi, nos vemos, Anthony.
Órale. Say bye to YouTube.
Bye.
They're leaving, so we'll say goodbye to them. They came all the way from Michoacan. Hey Javier, they have a story on Netflix for tacos. Michoacan is the leader. So they're talking about all the tacos, like where the best tacos are from. Carnitas are from DF. No. Pastor is from DF.
Okay.
Carnitas is from Michoacan, and then there's some other ones from other places. But it's called the tacos. I forgot what it's called. It's all in
English
Spanish.
or Spanish?
All Spanish.
All Spanish?
But this English.
You understand everything?
English subtitles.
Oh.
I've been recording for 20 minutes and I didn't even know that.
You've just been sitting
So we're sitting there looking at the sky. So that's gonna be a big ass file that has to transfer. 20 gigs of 4K. 20 minutes of 4K is a lot of power. So, what'd you go to Vegas for, honestly?
What, I went to Vegas?
Yeah.
For? Just to relax.
Did you win anything? Did you play, gamble?
I never
What'd you do
gambled.
there?
Huh?
What'd you do there?
Just went to the pool. Watched the panorama.
Was it cheaper than $500?
Huh?
Was it cheaper than 500?
I think so.
Damn, he even beat me on.
You want to Vegas?
Look.
Hey, you still save money.
Hotel was less than $300 hotel. Okay.
That's a good price.
And then we got there at night, so we didn't really went nowhere because it was kind of like, oh yeah, we went to
Fairmont.
the Fremont.
Fremont.
We didn't spend money there because we were with my niece, so nobody wanted to drink nothing. We just went to watch and we saw the bands
You
play.
didn't drink a beer?
Huh?
You didn't drink a beer? I gotta drink
No.
one beer.
What? And then we went back to the hotel. Wake up. We went to White Castle to get the sliders. They were good.
I don't know White Castle.
They make them there, or they're like the ones that they come in the bag? Gotta call a customer. Hey, what's up, Henry?
Hey, what's going on, Anthony?
Not much. Hey, do you have the parts from inside the manuals and stuff inside the car?
Yeah, I have everything.
He says, can you bring it because hey, they need them.
Okay.
Also,
I can do that.
that's for the manual for the gauges.
Okay, I
Alright,
can do that. I
I'll
can
just-
bring everything.
Okay, and that's why you can show him where the parts are gonna be too, where those wires are that you were telling me.
I'm sorry, say again?
So that way you can show them too where the wires you were telling me.
Okay, no worries. I will do that. I'll stop by in like 20 minutes.
Perfect, man. Thank you.
Alright, bye.
Yes, you fixed it already? Wait?
Those on laptops? I'm trying to get one laptop.
How much you want for one?
400.
The MSI?
Both of them.
I don't want both. I just want one, dog. ¿Cómo sabes, güey? How do you know? Did you see it on your camera?
Y yo estoy medio güey, por eso hay un chingo de talados.
Man, it's warm out here, dude. I don't know how they're doing it.
I don't blame you while you guys have these lights off.
I know I don't really need my filter. When the lights are on, I need the filter. It's a lot of glow.
Oh man.
These gel speakers look like they're gonna bang.
Dame tu cosita.
Talk to that guy yet?
I texted him, he didn't answer.
Okay.
He answered to him real quick on Facebook.
You have him on Facebook?
You should look him up.
Okay.
His name Pedro Caracosa. Just like, look him up.
We'll go hit him up right now.
Like right away he answered.
What'd you tell him? Did you like it?
No, he didn't send him a message. He just added him and he's like, oh, who are you? And he puts like, things like that. Kind of weird.
Tell him to call the shop, boy.
No, you call him so he doesn't know that Luis is investigating him, you know?
Is that what you're doing, Luis? I tell you, like, I'll find this nigga. Damn, I can't even find people that I know.
Yo puedo encontrar a quien quiera.
We'll find a random. Look at this, man. Look at this boy. Look.
La cosita no le está contestando a Antonio, vale.
No? His phone doesn't work.
¿Cómo? ¿Y el Facebook cómo lo contestaron luego?
That's a computer. Damn, look at that. You want to go fight? You want to go race them, folks?
Yeah.
Race them with your Ford F1 nothing.
Is it canned, you think? You think it's canned?
I think sounds seriously. Guys, listen to this truck. That's done. It's super hot. My curls are burning as we speak. Dude, my curls are burning if I stay out there too long.
No, they get curly or what?
No, they get dry as fucking break.
Tu cosita, tu cosita.
What are you putting in your hair? Gel, oil?
Right now I put gel. Put gel for the ladies. You know, girls get the curls. Is that what they say? Curls get the girls. That's what this girl told me when she came in the shop. She's like, that's why your wife don't like them curls. Because the curls get the girls.
Ponte moco de hombre.
I'm gonna put the mochas de what?
De hombre. Oh no, de gorila. Moco de gorila.
Remember when Moco de Gorilla was just a thing you got in teaser, and then they finally like pushed it out here. It's like hipster talk.
They don't give a fudge. That thing sounds sick, bro. Anyways, what are you guys gonna finish today? I want to hear this. Can we hear this thing play before you leave today?
Yeah.
You know, tomorrow's vlog has nothing
Es
to
que
vlog
alguien,
about.
alguien las instaló y pues no iban así.
Where's on instalados?
No, I fucked up.
You fucked it up?
Yeah, there were some more cables. ¿Qué onda, güey? ¿Te gustaron? ¿Te gustaron, vale?
Yeah.
Dice que haría lo que fuera con una troca así.
How much?
Next. So, we want $400 for the laptop. Take this off so people can
Got
see.
2 laptops, and then I got the Morel speakers, which are nice. Those are gonna hurt.
So your offer-up page is like
It's lit right
got a getting shit on there right now. All right, let's go check out your offer-up page. We'll go shopping at Jack Gills. Finally, dog. Here, go buy some chips. Man.
What?
The same Arizona iced tea and chips. Damn, son. Oh, you wait! I almost died. I almost fucking tripped. That hurt my toes so bad. All right, so customers just came in. He's right there on the couch. Just came in and bought a sound system. And we're gonna go install that shit. It's the first sale of the day, actually, pretty much. And it's been slow, you know. In sales, it's been slow in sales, but we got projects, so this is just gonna help the projects go slower. So yeah, this is what we got sold. Epicenter, the 60M, which is the bass amp from Alpine, 32F, which is the highs amp, 2 subs, a box, and I need to put an LC2, or maybe the Lynxwell 8. I don't know. It's a JBL system, so we might have to do something for that. But finally, some money. Woo, money! I'm trying to make a new logo. I don't know what I want to do. I don't know how I'm gonna do it. I just know I need to make a better logo. It used to be Ant-Man Knows Audio, as you guys know, but that's because it was my nickname growing up. Yeah, man. And now I can't even use it because the Marvel character takes up all the search engine room, you know? Search engine optimization. It was killing me. But anyways, we made a couple sales. I sold 2 JL Audio 12-inch subwoofers along with an epicenter and install the customer's own radio and also install his own amplifier. So they're doing that. Sold a set of speakers, that's gone already. I didn't get to show you that. And then also we're doing the Alpine system on the Toyota. So let's go back there and see what these guys are doing and if they don't like me. They probably don't like me because I made them, you know, do this. I didn't make them, but you know, the job fell into place where it's supposed to be falling into place. I don't have my filter on, so it's kind of bright outside, and the stupid fucking machine is going crazy. Which machine? So he's doing the Toyota system, which is all the Alpine, and Junior's doing the Chevy out there, which is all the JL Audio. This bad boy's almost done. So it's a beautiful world, you know? Stuff's happening, people are getting excited. Okay, remote control. CM7000, which the 7000 I like is because you can add more stuff to it. The other ones you can't. Some bullshit. But anyways, we got the packages ready to go, ready for sale. Holla at your boy. Okay. All right, we got a package. Should we see what's inside of it? I think this is the alarm systems for First Tech, which have that 3-mile radius. 3-mile radius. So it is. Check it out. Bam. Ordered 3 of them to stock. Cause we do sell quite a bit of these, I believe. Get out of here. Mario, ya está el Mario. Dang, Lewis finished the car. You're fucking fast, way. Dang, and you came with extra screws. Okay, let's go tell the amigo his car's ready.